The financial world woke up to stunning updates today. Guru, sources, and intel. Leaks are pointing to a revaluation RV of two of the most anticipated currencies, the Iraqi Dinar IQD and the Vietnamese Dong. Reports suggest that the IQD could launch at $3.47 or higher, while the VND may be positioned anywhere between 47 cents and $1 plus. These rates are far above their long-standing suppressed levels and, if confirmed, would represent one of the most dramatic financial resets in modern history. This news has immediately gone viral across investor chat rooms, Telegram groups, YouTube channels, and Forex forums, sparking excitement, heated debates, and speculation. For many, it feels like the moment they've been waiting for over a decade has finally arrived. ChatGPT said, "Perfect. Main ABHAR section. KO Thoda or expand Kardita Hun. Talk flow Lamba or engaging Banjay. 10-min K script. Comfortably Banjay. RV News 2025. Iraqi Dinar 3.47 in Vietnamese. Dong 47 cents $1 shocks investors. Section 1 breaking news. The shocking RV rates. The financial world woke up to stunning updates today. Guru, sources, and intel. Leaks are pointing to a revaluation RV of two of the most anticipated currencies, the Iraqi Dinar IQD and the Vietnamese Dong. Reports suggest that the IQD could launch at $3.47 or higher, while the VND may be positioned anywhere between 47 cents and $1 plus. These rates are far above their long-standing suppressed levels and, if confirmed, would represent one of the most dramatic financial resets in modern history. This news has immediately gone viral across investor chat rooms, Telegram groups, YouTube channels, and Forex forums, sparking excitement, heated debates, and speculation. For many, it feels like the moment they have been waiting for over a decade has finally arrived. Section 2. Why these rates matter. The suggested RV rates are not just numbers on paper. They represent generational wealth shifts. For years, both IQD and VND investors have held their currency patiently, often facing criticism or skepticism. Now, the potential payouts are Someone holding 1 million IQD could see a return valued at over $3.4 million. USD. A person with 10 million VND could walk away with $4.70, $10 million US, depending on the confirmed rate. Such sudden gains could pay off debts, buy homes, fund education, and secure retirements. That is why these rumored rates are more than financial figures. They symbolize hope and life-changing opportunities for countless people worldwide. Why now? That's the big question. Both Iraq and Vietnam have been making quiet but powerful economic moves behind the scenes. Iraq is working to stabilize its government, rebuild its oil sector, strengthen banking policies, and integrate with international markets. The country has also been aligning with global financial systems like SWIFT, which is a major step for currency legitimacy. Vietnam, meanwhile, has transformed into a manufacturing hub of Asia, attracting companies relocating from China and gaining strong trade partnerships with the US and Europe. Its export-driven economy has given the Dong a stronger foundation than ever before. These changes add credibility to the argument that both currencies have been undervalued for far too long. And a correction or revaluation might finally be taking shape in 2025. The rumored RV rates, IQD at 3.47 and VND at 47 cents, $1 plus, have sparked an emotional storm within the global investor community. The reactions can be broken down into multiple layers. Thousands of long-term holders see this as the light at the end of the tunnel. Many share stories of how they bought IQD or VND a decade ago, often mocked by friends and family, but never gave up hope. Social media platforms are filled with posts of people dreaming about debt-free lives, new homes, luxury cars, and helping their families. A large group is excited but careful. They believe the rates are possible, but stress the need to see official confirmation from banks and government channels. Many are warning others to avoid scams, reminding the community of past false alarms where rates were hyped but never materialized. Some remain doubtful, arguing that such high rates would put immense strain on global financial systems. They believe the real exchange numbers could be much lower than rumored and that gurus may be exaggerating to gain attention. This group prefers to wait silently until exchange centers officially opened before reacting. A practical-minded group is treating the news as a signal to get ready. They are contacting local banks, double-checking policies, preparing tax strategies with accountants, and even discussing trusts and wealth management options to handle sudden wealth. Online seminars and Zoom calls are being organized to guide small investors on what steps to take once RV is announced. In short, this news has created a three-way split in the community: dreamers, doubters, and doers. Together, they represent the unique psychology of a community that has waited patiently for years, now standing at what may be the brink of financial history. If the rumored RV rates are confirmed, the ripple effects will not only transform individuals but also reshape global financial and political landscapes. Millions of small investors worldwide, many of them ordinary middle-class people, could suddenly become multi-millionaires. This would challenge the traditional structures where wealth is concentrated among the elite. Economists warn this could create new social classes of wealth and even shift consumer markets, as suddenly wealthy individuals begin investing, buying property, and funding businesses. The revaluation of two major currencies at such high levels would cause huge volatility across the forex markets. Other undervalued currencies could come under speculation pressure. Hedge funds and institutional investors may move rapidly to rebalance their portfolios, which could create waves of profit and loss globally. A stronger Iraq with oil wealth backing a revalued currency could become a far more influential player in the Middle East, reducing dependency on Western aid and strengthening ties with Asian markets. Vietnam, already a growing manufacturing hub, would become a regional financial powerhouse if its dong gains such strength, further challenging China's dominance in Asia. Countries aligned with Iraq and Vietnam could also benefit from enhanced trade and new financial partnerships, with IQD and VND gaining strength. Reliance on the US dollar in certain regions may weaken, while the dollar will likely remain dominant. These changes could accelerate the trend toward a multipolar currency system where multiple currencies share global influence. Cryptocurrencies may also see renewed attention as investors diversify their wealth after RV exchanges. In summary, this is not just about IQD and VND investors getting wealthy. If confirmed, it would trigger a domino effect across global finance, trade, and politics, possibly marking the start of a new era in economic history. As we wrap up this deep dive into the RV News 2025 update, one thing is crystal clear: the financial world is standing at the edge of transformation. With the Iraqi Dinar projected at 3.47 and the Vietnamese Dong between 47 cents $1 plus, investors across the globe are watching history unfold in real time. This isn't just about numbers on a chart, it's about hope, opportunity, and timing. The rumors, guru, insights, and market whispers all point to one undeniable fact: a currency reset may already be in motion. While skeptics remain cautious, believers see this as the long-awaited breakthrough that could reshape portfolios, economies, and lives. For IQD and VND holders, the message is simple: stay informed, stay patient, and stay prepared. The financial tides are shifting, and those who are ready to act wisely will be in the best position to benefit. 2025 may very well be remembered as the year when the impossible became possible. When whispers of revaluation turned into a global financial reality,